Waziri w'ekiseme ky'ulase migosi Ogamba nigatera bune serikali negendete kubekumukia kwenekibuna ngotingire hobokorerwe sekta y'ekiseme haigemeyense munenchereyemo yo gwikirania agenda ya potomabu yere hamaganio ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kukwana chinga kikirana bosi b'omusangirikano w'abajumbe asensemo ya Naivasha himeye kaunti ya Nakuru. Ogamba nigene kibune serikali wetirase wizari yo nigegendete kwene kibune kero moro kigogwegereria kianda kwaswaregereria ikomi muchandondo bwensi utayo
of rationalization of these teachers in schools, where some teachers are more in schools and other schools do not have teachers. This is the exercise that we indicated that we would be working with TSC to ensure that there is a redistribution of the teachers to the schools that do not have enough teachers of various subjects, so that we do not disadvantage any of our learners. The ministry has not effected the implementation of those projects because the resources have not been received. It is a funding challenge. Once the resources are received, we will be able to. We are gazetting that irregularity that the gazette is coming on Friday, showing what the parents are supposed to pay and not pay, and after that our officers in the field will fully implement. I am aware that there is a circuit program that was done that was not properly conducted or implemented, and I know that there is an audit that is going on at the moment to be able to inform the decision that will be made on action that will be taken on those incomplete projects. So once the report of the audit is completed, we will take the necessary. We have indicated that the teachers are not supposed to be selling uniforms in school. They should allow parents to buy uniforms from wherever they find the uniforms to be cheaper. But as I said, it's a conversation that we have to make sure that we come up with a lasting solution to the menace that has been brought about by teachers sending away students because of uniforms, including the case that you mentioned, which I wasn't aware of, that they stayed for 2 days in the benches, but we'll get a report on it and take action against that principle. Teachers did indicate how many students they will be receiving, and they indicated the capacity of those institutions. So the students were allocated to those schools based on the capacity of those schools. And as I indicated earlier, students were allowed to select the schools of their choice to which they were going. So that once we do the exit report, after we complete the exercise this Friday, then we will have conversations on what we are going to do about the schools that did not receive any students, and the rationalization and reallocation of the teachers and other resources and infrastructure that would be in those institutions. So we'll rationalize that to ensure that even these schools that received more of the students than what they normally do is because they had an extra classroom arising out of the fact that we did not have Form 2s currently. Now, the capitation that we release is based on the data that we receive from the schools, and there's no discrepancy between the number of the students that we are sending textbooks to that of capitation. The number is aligned because we receive that from the school.